Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. The Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers announced the implementation of One Nation One Fertilizer by introducing a single brand for fertilizer and logo under the fertilizer subsidy scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana. The order made it compulsory for single brand names for urea, diammonium phosphate, murates of potash, and nitrogen phosphate and potash composition, etc. That would be Bharat Urea, Bharat DAP, Bharat MOP, and Bharat NPK, etc. for all fertilizer companies, state trading entities, and fertilizer marketing entities. The companies are allowed to display their name, brand, logo, and other relevant product information only on one-third space of their bags. On the remaining two-third space, the Bharat brand and Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana logo will have to be shown. For swift development of modern multimodal logistic parks under Bharatmala Pariyojana across the country, the National Highway Logistic Management Limited, the Inland Waterways Authority of India, and the Rail Vikas Nigam Limited have come together. The move aims to centralize freight consolidation and reduce logistic costs from 14% to less than 10% of GDP. Let's understand what is MMLP is. The multimodal logistic park will be a freight handling facility with rail and road accessibility, comprising of container terminals, custom clearance, cargo terminals, warehouses, and other infrastructural facilities. It is being developed under hub and spoke model. It will focus on a technology-driven implementation of a state-of-art freight management system. Let's see what is Bharatmala Pariyojana is. Bharatmala Pariyojana is an umbrella program for the highways sector that focuses on optimizing the efficiency of road traffic movement across the country by bridging the critical infrastructural gap, whereas it is focused on optimizing efficiency of the movement of goods and people across the country to generating large number of direct and indirect employment opportunities and to connect 550 districts in the country through national highway linkages, whereas it aims in improvement in efficiency of existing corridors through development of multimodal logistic parks and elimination of choke points. It focuses on improving connectivity in Northeast. It also aims to use of scientific technology for project preparation and asset monitoring. It calls for seamless connectivity with neighboring country, under which 24 integrated checkposts have been identified, transit through Bangladesh to improve Northeast connectivity, integrated Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and Myanmar Thailand corridor, which will make Northeast as a hub of East Asia. Rashtraparaska Portal launched nomination for various awards. Government of India launched a common Rashtraparaska Portal so as to bring together all the awards of various ministries, departments, agencies of the Government of India under one platform, just to ensure transparency and public partnership. This portal facilitates every citizen or organization to nominate individual organization for various awards instituted by the Government of India. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addresses the Smart India Hackathon grand finale. The Smart India Hackathon is an initiative by the Ministry of Education, All India Council for Technical Education, Persistent System, and Inter-Institutional Inclusive Innovation Center. It was started in 2014. It is a nationwide initiative to provide the student a platform to solve the pressing problems of society, organization, and government. The Global Wind Energy Council and MEC Intelligence launched Renewing Wind Growth to Power the Energy Transition, India Wind Energy Market Outlook 2026, according to which India could install 23.7 gigawatt of wind capacity in next 5 years with supportive national and state action. Let's see something about the wind energy in India. Wind energy is an important non-conventional source of energy which typically comes in two different types. One is onshore, another one is the offshore wind farms. India is a country having around 7,516.6 kilometer long coastline, and in all of its exclusive economic zone, it has enough opportunity to harness the wind energy. The state of Gujarat has the highest wind energy potential, followed by Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. India currently has the fourth highest wind installed capacity in the world with total installed capacity of 39.25 gigawatt. The state of Tamil Nadu tops the list with an annual wind power output around 9,000 megawatt per annum, followed by Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button and comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.